Ever asked your phone, "What's the weather today?" and it actually answered you? That voice isn't magic, it's artificial intelligence. Every time you talk to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you're using AI technology that understands your words, learns your habits, and makes your life easier. It's like having a tiny robot helper in your pocket. Hey there, I'm Cynthia, your AI guide from the near future. Today, we're exploring something you probably use every single day without thinking about it: AI assistants. From setting alarms and playing songs to turning off your lights with just your voice, these tools are quietly changing how we live, work, and communicate. An AI assistant is a digital helper that uses artificial intelligence to understand your voice, analyze your requests, and respond intelligently. They're built using powerful systems that can process human language, search for information, and perform actions in real time. In short, it's like having a personal assistant, only faster, always available, and constantly learning from you. The first thing an AI assistant does is listen and recognize your voice. When you say, "Hey Siri," or "Alexa, play my study playlist," it detects your unique voice pattern and wakes up. Behind the scenes, it's analyzing sound waves, tone, and rhythm, all to understand that you're speaking, not someone else. That's why newer AI devices can even recognize different family members' voices and respond personally. Next comes natural language processing, or NLP, the part that helps AI understand what you actually mean. If you say, "Remind me to call mom tomorrow," the AI doesn't just hear words. It breaks the sentence down into intent, set a reminder, and details. Call mom tomorrow. That's how it turns your casual speech into real action. Finally, your AI assistant takes action. Setting that reminder, playing that song, or turning on your smart lamp. It connects to apps, databases, and even your smart home devices to get things done in SE. Cons, and every interaction teaches it something new, like your favorite music, the way you speak, or what time you usually go to sleep. T. That's how it gets smarter the more you use it. From helping you navigate traffic to managing your schedule hands-free, AI assistants are becoming part of everyday life. They're designed to make things smoother, saving time, reducing stress, and even improving accessibility for people who can't easily use screens or keyboards. So, what about you? Which AI assistant do you use most? Siri, Alexa, or Google? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know how AI fits into your daily life. And if you enjoyed learning with me, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. I'm Cynthia. See you soon in the future of AI.